guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be another succulent vlog just because it's just a little bit about everything. I'm just gonna be messing around, and I'm holding this video, I'm using this video to hold me accountable to finish stuff. So I started that and I made a video on how I was doing it, and I just haven't edited the video. Here are the imbricatas. They're doing super well. They've been dealing with the rain just fine, and yeah, they're okay. What else? Oh yeah, this pot has been inside my house for a while, and I've been meaning to depot it because it's one of the pots that I made, but it wasn't protected with that waterproof spray. So I need to empty it out, try to clean it up, and kind of cover the crack there, and then spray it, and then it should be fine. So I'm going to repot this for now. Then I also want to repot that cactus because it keeps tipping over, and I just think it's got such a little base to hold such a heavy load on top. So when I repot it, I need to, like, you know, put it in there pretty deep. So that's what I'm going to do with that. I did start watering my plants the other day, and then I kind of regretted it. I felt that outside is too humid, gloomy, not enough sun to dry some stuff off. So hopefully everything recovers. This plant here, this pot, I think it's got like some type of black mold. See, it was here. And several of the plants that were here, for some reason, they were not doing well. You know, they look a little bit like this with the dark stuff. If anyone has any tips on how to treat it so that it can go away, hopefully, let me know, please, here in the comments. What else? Hey, look, this beautiful cactus is flowering for me. So pretty. So yeah, that's what I have to do, and I have to mix dirt. So I bought some dirt, but it needs to be mixed with some perlite. And what else? Oh yeah, so the kalanchoe that I showed you guys, the flapjack, that's in the front of the house. The flapjack that's in the front of the house, I showed you guys that something happened to it. It fell over and it was really soft, but there was no color of rot. It was just soft. I don't think it was because of the rain, because I have the same exact one in the same area, and it's bigger than that one, and it's doing fine. I think something bit it and made it weak. Something had to, you know, happen there to make it weak, or maybe it tipped over because it was heavy and it snapped in the area, and then water got in there. Something happened. I don't believe it was the water. I don't believe it was the rain. I really don't. A lot of my plants are doing super well here with all the rain we've been getting. I don't move them, and they're doing super good. So yeah, I guess that's what's wrong with me right now. I want to do stuff, but I'm very unsure because the weather right now is very unpredictable with the hurricane season. We have quite a few hurricanes out there in the ocean. So I'm just very, you know, unsure. I'm unsure if I should water all my plants right now or not. Just wait. They don't look, you know, dehydrated, so that's good. Then I'm wondering if I should pot this up now, like if I should put some plants, even though I'm thinking putting many of these plants in here. So I'm thinking about that. What else? Also, my planters that I put on the other side, the green ones that are on the other side, I was also thinking about, you know, wanting to start planting there, but I just can't. Oh, let me show you guys something. Yesterday I was looking at my plants here in the planter box. So these get a lot of water, and they look good. They don't look overwatered. They look fine. If anything, I was looking at these, and these look dehydrated. See how skinny the leaf looks? And if you come over here, these are slightly thicker. I had an aha moment a few minutes ago that right here. I have an overhang, so right in this area, it gets less water than the rest of the planter. And I was thinking, why? You know, water, like if it's a lot of rain, wouldn't the water spread around? But I guess it's just not enough water still for this plant. So I do definitely need to keep an eye out on this one, and might have to water it myself because it does look more dehydrated than the rest. Here are these, and they're looking beautiful. So yeah, so I'm gonna get to work on some stuff. Let me show you one more cart I got that my husband picked up for me from the trash. There it is. It's a beautiful bright green. I started with yellow, but then it was such a mustard yellow. I didn't like it, so I just went ahead with green. And my husband drilled some holes for me. And then look what I did. So my niece freehand this for me on her tablet, and she sent it to me through text message. I printed it out, and then I filled the back of it with pencil, you know, carbon pencil like that, and then you just trace it, and then I filled it in with marker. Now I just need to get that waterproofing spray it, and it should do well. It should stay there pretty good. She did a great job. She's a really good artist. I think that she draws very nicely and paints too very nicely. But there's the cart, guys. So let me do some stuff, and then I'll let you know what I did. Okay guys, this is the flapjack that fell over in the front. It's a little bent there. See, I guess I was looking for the sun when I cut it and left it in my front porch. I went ahead and chopped the bad part, and now I'm gonna let this callus over and then put it in my greenhouse and just see if it roots. You know, I don't really care if it does or doesn't, but if it does, that's great. So that's what I'm gonna do with this. Okay guys, so I was able, I'm hot. I've probably been out here maybe like an hour and a half or 2 hours. I'm not sure because I didn't look to see when I started. Look at how good she's doing. This planter right here, so pretty. Painted I waterproofed this, so that's good. And what else did I do? I planted this up. I'll have a video coming up soon on how I did this. And what else? I mixed some dirt for that pot, but I haven't decided what I wanted to do. I thought I was gonna put that flapjack, the one that flipped over, there, but now I'm very unsure because I think that will look really pretty in that pot. Maybe with something else, or maybe by itself. I'm not 100% sure, but I think that's what I might end up doing. I'm not sure. I guess that's it for now, guys. I'm really hot. I need to jump in the shower. So I didn't get lots done, but I got some things done. I don't know what's up with this weather. It's gloomy, then the sun is out. It's gloomy, then the sun is out. It's like, make up your mind. What are we doing? Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye, guys.